Namaste everyone, welcome back, and I hope you guys are all doing well. And if you're here for the first time and seeing my face for the first time, well hello, I'm Ishadnya and I make videos on DIYs, fashion and lifestyle. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. The subscribe button is right underneath this video, and also hit the tiny little bell icon right next to it, so every time I upload a video you guys get notified. So today's video is going to be a Myntra haul. Now Myntra is going to have its sale I think about 2 or 3 weeks from now, so you guys will have ample of time to add these items in your wish list and get them for yourself whenever you want to. I don't have a lot of items this time because I kind of have been trying to cut down on shopping a little bit, because there are times during sales when I go a little overboard with my shopping. So this time I haven't shopped from one particular category. I have a collection of different items. So I have saris, I have t-shirts, I have bags, shoes, belts, accessories, everything. So if you want to find out what all I got this time for myself from the Myntra sale, then please keep on watching. The first item, as all my haul videos, is the one that I'm wearing right now. It's a plain white t-shirt. This is from the brand Mode, which again is a sub-brand of Red Tape. For the longest time, I did not have a plain white t-shirt in my wardrobe, and I cannot tell you guys how much my life has changed ever since I got this t-shirt. I can layer it up, layer it down, dress it up, dress it down. It's also super convenient when it comes to layering for the fall season, because during fall you don't want to cover yourself up in layers. So I can layer it underneath my strappy tops, my jumpsuits, where I need to add an extra layer to keep myself warm, or just in general to give a completely new look to a very basic looking top. Also, I feel that V-neck t-shirts sort of elongate your structure more than round neck t-shirts do. Of course, it's a personal preference. If you don't like V-neck t-shirts and want to instead go for some other options, you're free to go for it. But trust me, if you have a white t-shirt, a plain white t-shirt in your wardrobe, it's going to come handy in building so many outfits you're not even going to believe it. So I want to walk you guys through each item based on the price. So the higher priced item will be at the last. The second item is this very basic brown belt. I had only invested in black belts all my life, but after I got this I realized that a brown belt is also such an essential piece in your wardrobe. If you're wearing an all beige, all nude outfit, or just in general an outfit that has nude or white undertones, a brown belt can really change your look. However, I did have to face a little bummer with this product. So what happened was, I ordered this belt. This is from Max. So what happened was, when I received the order, I instead received a belt that was almost half the actual width of this belt, and it did not match the image that was shown on the website or the website description at all. So I had to contact the Myntra customer care, and they very politely agreed for me to return the product and refunded me the whole amount. So instead I ended up ordering this belt from Flipkart. It's also available on Myntra, but I am just telling you guys what happened with me. When I ordered the same exact product from Flipkart, I received the right product. So if you guys like this belt and want to get it from Myntra, you can, but I cannot guarantee if you're going to get the right product or not. Just wanted to share the experience with you guys. Apart from that, you can see that there are these tiny little holes all over the belt. Makes for a very interesting detail to have on a very basic belt. The third thing is a plain satin sari. I feel satin as a fabric in itself looks very luxurious and very elegant, especially saris which are absolutely plain like this one. I feel if you pair with the right blouse, they make such a strong statement. The whole concept of less is more is 100% applicable on these saris. It would look way more beautiful than any sari which is fully embellished and has a lot of shimmer, glitter, embroidery going all over. I would anytime prefer these kind of pieces over such saris. You guys would have seen me style this sari in my Diwali outfits video, and I paired this one with a crop top that I got from Zara. If you guys haven't watched it, link will be right above here. And it goes without saying, of course, all of the items that I show you guys in this haul will all be linked in the description bar down below. So if you guys want to get your hands on the exact same pieces, you know where to find them. Moving on to the next item It's a bag that I got from Alan Solly. Now, here's what it looks like. What I love about this bag is it's super interesting in every aspect. First off, the shape. I know there are round bags all over the internet, they look very cute, but this is my first round bag, which is why my excitement is justified. Secondly, the color. It's such a beautiful muted and pastel color, and if you guys know anything about me, I absolutely love pastels. I think the only time I have been able to carry this bag was with a green t-shirt that I wore when I was going out to meet a friend. I think with an all white outfit and all black outfit, this is going to go really well as a pop of color. It's not going to be right in your face when you talk about pop of color, but it's just going to be a subtle hint of color, if you know what I mean. It's going to look very beautiful, very sophisticated and elegant. And also, one great thing about this bag is it's super spacious. Do you see the width of the bag? It's almost the size of my fingers. I'll open it and show you guys the amount of storage this bag has. I still have the tag. Why? Alright, so you guys can see the amount of storage this bag has. It's huge. It can easily fit my phone, my wallet, literally my whole life can fit in here. It's that big. Also, it's quite sturdy, as you guys can hear. It's not like if you put something heavy on it when you're traveling, or if you accidentally just sit on it, it's not going to lose its shape. It's quite sturdy and the shape is going to be regained for a very long time. The next item is something that I got for my dad, of course, from the men's section. It's this pair of shoes from Hush Puppies. Now, these shoes are a little bit on the higher end of things because this was supposed to be a gift, is why I kind of splurged a little bit when it came to his gift. He has worn these about 2 times and he's told me that these shoes are super comfortable, almost feels like he's walking on cushion. I also really like the tiny little engraved design. Makes the shoe look a little different and gives it a little more edge than a usual shoe. Also, if you're looking for formal shoes that you can wear almost everywhere, to weddings, to office, to casual hangouts, I think this would be the perfect pair of footwear because it's so versatile, it can be worn everywhere. So if you're looking for gifting options for your dad, for your husband, your boyfriend, your brother, anyone, then I feel this could be a really great option. Also because wedding season is just around the corner. So gifting them something that they will also be using for the wedding season, how great is that? And finally, moving on to the most expensive item in this haul is this sari that I got for my mom. Wait, I had to fold it back. So this is a sari from Chabra 555. It's a very heavy Banarsi sari. So this was a gift to my mom from me, which is why I went a little overboard and ended up splurging, because why not? I mean, it was a 25th anniversary. What makes it stand out is the fact that it also comes with a matching dupatta. It's so pretty, and I swear, if you guys get this sari for yourself, you are sorted, because there's already so much going on this sari that you would not require any accessories to bring out the beauty of it. And all of the golden thread work on this sari is so stunning. Of course, it comes with a blouse piece, but we haven't gotten it stitched yet. So I will wear the sari with a basic crop top to show you guys how it looks, so you guys can have an idea. This is a sari I would 100% recommend you guys to check out if you have the budget. And over that, if you're able to get any discounts on this one, I was not able to, but in case you are, then nothing like it. So with that, we finished this haul video, guys. Please let me know in the comments how you enjoyed this haul video. I pretty much covered almost everything from every category: the men's section, the women's section, accessories, bags, saris, t-shirts, almost everything. So let me know how you guys like this haul video, and if you guys want to check out more haul videos that I have done in the past, then I will have all of them linked in a playlist over here in the eye. Of course, you can go and check it out after you're done watching this video. Don't forget to connect with me on all my social media accounts. All the handles will be right here at the bottom of the screen. And also let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want me to make next. Any feedbacks, any suggestions are always welcome. Please feel free to drop them all in the comment section down below. And until then, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!